MSU is the school for the study of packaging. And right now there's a lot of interesting work that's happening at MSU to keep that #1 position in the field. Fundamental research into packaging materials. Some people are looking at innovative coatings, e-commerce and logistics. And then of course we have people studying sustainability and how packaging can play a role in helping businesses make sustainable choices. And then finally, my lab looks at how can we improve health outcomes through packaging. One of the things that I think the renovations would offer is space to collaborate and work with other people. It's been a couple of decades since we've had any major overhauls to the building. Right now, there's very limited workspaces for undergraduates. We have so many visiting international scholars from around the world, and right now, facilities for that are in between probably 2 of the loudest labs in the building, so it's probably not an enjoyable place to work, but that's one place that would have a huge overhaul to provide visiting professionals a place that they can actually be productive in their work. And just having space to conduct research will be also instrumental in helping MSU's School of Packaging remain #1.